Hey, MTS crew, product review. I want to do a product review on this little powerhouse. It's an Oster blender. This thing is so powerful. I did not know that this little blender had so much power. Um, this is easy to use, y'all. You can go ahead and make your drinks in that blender part, and then you can take it out, throw your straw in, and go ahead and drink it right from that cylinder, that cup. So very easy, y'all. I bought this at grocery store, Kroger's. It's been a while back. I bought it and I hadn't used it. Maybe about for me about a year and a half. This little blender was just sitting on the shelf. So today I decided I wanted a cool drink, and I love mixing fruits and everything that will make my drink refreshing. So I just mixed some ice with some watermelon, and I had to use my Simply Fresh. I just used a small amount of the Simply Fresh to kind of get it going, and I have some blueberries in there. This thing is so easy to use. All you do is put the little cylinder in and mash down. And I just didn't think that it would do the job. I only paid, I think it was $15 for this at Kroger's, and it crushed ice, y'all. And I only have just that one little blade at the base of it, but that one little blade takes care of everything. So I wanted like a slushy drink, been working outside, so I wanted something cold. So this where I was telling you, you can just drink right from the cylinder, but I decided to share, so I went ahead and poured me a cup, a glass full, and I would say it's at least 2 6 to 8 ounce glasses of it in one container. So I wish I had bought two, one for me and one for my husband, but I only purchased that one. But y'all, this is worth the $15. If I ever find these again, I'm gonna buy several of them and just give them away as gifts. Now I have the powerful blenders that I use for my smoothies and all, but I'm gonna try just to do my vegetable smoothies in here, and I'll let you know how they come out. But this little powerhouse right here, I am telling you, it is absolutely easy to use, and it cuts up everything. I even had a watermelon with a few seeded watermelons. It even cut up the seeds. So y'all, try this Oster blender.